Hello everyone. Many people believe that when a bathtub gets damaged, the best option is to replace it because a repair would be a waste of money. That is a huge misconception. In this video, we are going to talk about what can be achieved with a bathtub repair service. A bathtub repair service could be durable and aesthetically perfect if done by a reputable and experienced company like America Refinishing Pros. There is no limitation as to what kind of bathtub can be repaired. As a matter of fact, bathtubs made of basically any kind of material are good candidates. Acrylic, fiberglass, steel, cast iron, or cultured marble, and when it comes to the nature of the damage, almost any kind of issue qualifies too. Among the most frequent repairs we do, I can mention rust damage. This is a type of issue that affects steel and cast iron tubs and in most cases develop in two areas: around the overflow or around the drain. As you can see in the pictures, the outcome is fantastic since we make sure to remove all the rust before we reconstruct the affected area. Depressions are also a type of problem that is being seen very often lately. They consist of an area of indentation usually at the bottom where water pools. It requires immediate attention, or sooner rather than later it corrodes and ruins the structure of the bathtub, making the solution more complex and expensive. America Refinishing Pros has a lot of experience dealing with this type of issue, which very rarely returns after our meticulous process of restoration. There are many other problems we deal with on a regular basis like cracks, stains, and chips, among others, always with a great outcome. So, if your bathtub is damaged, don't replace it. A bathtub repair service will save you thousands of dollars over the option of replacement and will allow you to avoid a number of headaches, like having to deal with plumbing, demolition, dust, and debris, just to mention a few of them. Call America Refinishing Pros today. We will help you have a brand new tub without replacing the existing one, with no hassles and in just a few hours.